everyone, I've got a refurbished Amazon vacuum here. I thought I'd open it with you guys to see what it's all about. Now, obviously one of the many benefits of buying refurbished is you save a lot of money. This thing was originally like $400, but I got this for like $250. And you also have a longer warranty with refurbished products. I believe the return window is like 90 days. It's part of like the Amazon Renewed thing, so I don't care about getting a pretty box with it. Most of these things come in like unmarked boxes because they're like returns and whatnot, but as long as nothing's broken, I'll be happy. So it looks like it's packaged pretty well. Nice. Okay, so this is the actual motor head of the vacuum. This has a removable battery. With the roller head on, it runs for about 30 minutes. So if you get 2 of those, you could vacuum for an hour. And I'll just take everything out first. There's a lot to explain about this. So here we have the cleaner head. And the accessories. Alright, so we've got the Shark Duo cleaner head right here. So this thing has 2 rollers. This is a soft roller for hardwood floors, and this is your traditional roller for carpet. Actually see a hair here, but that's to be expected for a returned vacuum. It's not dirty or anything. I don't see any major scratches. There's like some marks on the wheels from being used. Obviously the tube for the vacuum seems clean. Everything moves. Yeah, the inner plastic is a little bit scratched up, but again, it's a return, so it's to be expected. Yeah, and everything looks good. Some minor scratches on the plastic, but it's nothing to worry about. It's a very nice color. Open up the motor head next. So this one actually has a sealed system, so with its HEPA filter, while you're vacuuming, it's not going to send all the dust flying all over your room. You're not going to be sneezing. Yeah, as for the condition of this, again, very light scratching. Nothing deep. Clear plastic, it's not cracked or anything. Surface level scratching and marring. This has a little bit. Not sure if the camera can pick it up. But yeah. Power settings, carpet, bare floor, and off. This has 2 power modes, this one's hardwood. Put it to this, it goes to, okay. So it's ready to go. Yeah, battery's got charge and everything. Connectors seem okay. Nothing out of the ordinary. Alright, so see how this works. Oh, that's it. So after you're done vacuuming, you just hit this little key here over the trash can, dumps everything out, close it back up. Looking at the filter inside, that doesn't seem dirty either. So they thoroughly cleaned everything. nice. So I'm gonna take this end. See if I can figure this out. Oh, yep, there it is. So just connect and play. I'll attach the power head. So that clicks in. And that's it. Wow, okay. I've been told this is really heavy. I believe it comes in at like 8 pounds, but it doesn't feel like it. Maybe if you're older or, I don't know, you gotta lug this upstairs like all day. It might be a little hard, but this weight isn't bad at all. I mean, you know, it's better than one of the big vacuums in my opinion. The wheels feel smooth. This wheel seems to be getting stuck. I don't know if there's hair or whatever in it. But you know, the power head has a light on here that lets you know if it's clogged up with hair or whatever, but I've heard this is really good with anti-tangle, so that shouldn't be a problem. Now, I'm gonna see how loud it gets, you know, just use it a little bit, see how it is. Ooh, and we have this option, which is also a very key thing for me when I was buying this. You could basically just reach under furniture very easily, like that. And this has rails underneath it, the sofa, so it's hard to reach there, but you know, under beds or whatnot, it's very easy because you know, you could be upright, you don't have to bend down to reach underneath furniture. So it clicks right back in. Let's try the hardwood. Okay, I lied about the weight. It is a little excessive because of the battery and whatnot. Oh, we're down to 1 bar, but it does feel a little heavy. So definitely after extended period of use, it will start to get heavy because all the weight is here right at the end, as opposed to a traditional vacuum that has the weight, you know, distributed around. So it does put a little strain on your wrist, but I think I could tough it out because it is, you know, battery, so that's what you gotta accept. And once you're done with this, you can just fold it over and just leave it like that. You know, a lot of stick vacuums can't do that, so that's another plus of this. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's see here. There we go. Bring this back up. I like these clicky tabs, they click off very easily. Now this is the motor itself. Yeah, it's pretty heavy. I don't know. But yeah, like right here, it's definitely a lot of lifting here. But let's try the other attachments. So in this bag we have, I believe it comes with 3 different attachments. So the first one is a crevice tool. Yeah, so it has a couple scratches, but nothing major. Again, for how much I saved on this, as long as it runs, I'm happy, you know. I got a lot for a little, so this is, you know, a brush tool. This is pretty clean. I might have given a new one with this, but okay. So you could take this off and then pull out this fine brush tool. This might be for like those like softer materials if you want to brush, you know, pet hair off of that. This is the longer one. You can just pop it on. That's it. And I thought there was another attachment. I guess not. So there's a charger right here. So it has, you know, looks like a laptop charger almost, but this plugs into the battery, and you know, you can remove the battery, which is really nice because I've seen like just the battery alone go for like $35, which really isn't a lot because it gives you like 30 minutes extra. So if you have a large home, you could buy the extra battery and just, you know, vacuum your house for an hour straight, which you probably won't need that much, but just in case, you know, so you're not gonna feel like limited by the battery. But yeah, overall I'm happy with this purchase. I'll update this video if anything happens, you know, with the battery life and whatnot, if it's like degraded beyond like usual, but for the money I paid, I think I'm happy with this purchase. So this was a good Amazon renewed purchase. No complaints so far. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.